Meanwhile, social activist Nando Luwang has emphasized on the need for people to keep a deep focus on the proposed land swap plan between India and Myanmar. While citing the speculative article in a Diplomat magazine which talked about possible land swap between India and Myanmar along international border in Manipur, Nando Luwang said it is a concerning issue. He also sought clarity from Manipur government on their stance in this matter.
Miyam pungchat amane hainariba amukona sila chakiba pungchat adugi ningsing torom pangthopa numit amane ba haiba numit August Mari achida akoi Minister of External Affairs ki official spokesperson oriba Ranjit Jaiswal na mana haisi haiba bajiki diplomat da phongiba pawdu mai lena Manipur gi lam khara Asandin district ki manungda leba lam khara ga akoi gi Myanmar gi sagang rijeng gi lam khara ga akoi wontho wonjin tobagi wa yam kupna khanaba leire haiba wa phom le adu haiba Manipur galam si Myanmar galam si kai mo thong hota ga su madu akoi gi parliament da wari amadi lobom change ba adu parliament gi akoi gi nongju mifam ji akoi July tang 10 dagi hauraga akoi gi August ki tang 10 go humdoi da loidoi ni adu bu haiba si August ki tang 3 de loigo do bu si akoi ko teng si August ki 9 oire ba sitting drama pa leiba adu ma parliament gi mifam ji chathari beni usi haiba mifam ji da wari ama lawdragadi natraga parliament gi matung da bu su wari ama lawdragadi haiba lamji India ga Myanmar won thong no si yaro